When it comes to installing a new door in Fort Worth, Texas, one key factor that can significantly affect the process is the weather. The city experiences a variety of weather conditions throughout the year, from hot, humid summers to cold, unpredictable winters, with the occasional storm. These weather patterns can influence not just the installation time, but also the quality and longevity of the door itself. Understanding how different weather conditions can impact the installation process is crucial for homeowners looking to install new doors in Fort Worth. Impact of heat and humidity. Fort Worth is known for its scorching summers, where temperatures can often exceed 100 degrees Fahrenheit, coupled with high humidity levels. These conditions can create unique challenges during door installation. The high heat can cause materials like wood and metal to expand. Wood doors, for example, may swell due to the excess moisture in the air, which can make them harder to fit properly. This swelling can lead to misalignment, and the door may not open or close smoothly, affecting its overall functionality. Additionally, the high temperatures can be uncomfortable for installers. While this might seem like an issue only for the people doing the work, it's important to remember that extreme heat can cause fatigue, which might slow down the installation process or reduce the attention to detail needed to complete the job perfectly. When scheduling door installation during the hottest months, it's important to account for these potential delays. Impact of rain and storms. Fort Worth also experiences heavy rainfall, especially in the spring and fall months. Rainstorms can create delays in the installation process. For one, wet weather can make it difficult to work with certain materials, especially those that are sensitive to moisture like wood and fabric. Wooden doors or frames can warp or become damaged if they are exposed to rain during installation, which can lead to costly repairs or the need to replace the door altogether. Additionally, rainy weather can cause delays in delivery and transportation. Wet roads, flooding, or stormy conditions can make it difficult for delivery trucks to reach the site on time. This can lead to scheduling issues or postponing the installation until the weather clears up. In some cases, it may be unsafe to perform the installation during a storm, particularly if strong winds or lightning are present. To mitigate these issues, it's always best to schedule installations on days with a low chance of rain. However, if the installation must occur during a wet season, ensure that the door and materials are protected from the elements throughout the process. Cold weather and winter conditions. While Fort Worth is generally known for its warm climate, the winter months can still bring unexpected cold spells. Freezing temperatures can cause issues for both the installation and the door materials. For example, extreme cold can make certain materials more brittle, such as vinyl or fiberglass. These materials may crack or break if handled improperly in freezing temperatures. Additionally, frozen ground can make it difficult to install doors correctly if the ground is too hard to work with. Cold weather can also affect the adhesives and sealants used during the installation process. Many types of sealants need to be applied within a certain temperature range to adhere properly. In very cold weather, these adhesives may not bond correctly, which can lead to gaps in the door's seal and cause energy efficiency issues. To avoid these problems, it's best to schedule door installations during milder temperatures if possible. If winter installation is unavoidable, extra precautions may be needed, such as ensuring the site is properly heated or delaying the project until the temperatures rise. How to prepare for weather-related challenges. Understanding the weather's impact on door installation is essential to ensuring a successful project. Here are some steps you can take to minimize potential issues. Plan ahead. Check the forecast and avoid scheduling installations during extreme weather conditions. Choose the right materials. Depending on the climate in Fort Worth, select materials that are less susceptible to warping, cracking, or swelling due to temperature or humidity changes. Communicate with professionals. Work with experienced installers who know how to handle different weather conditions and can take the necessary precautions to protect your door and property. Have a backup plan. Be prepared for potential delays or weather-related issues, and build some flexibility into your schedule. In conclusion, while weather conditions in Fort Worth can present certain challenges for door installation, proper planning and preparation can minimize these issues. By understanding how different weather elements impact the process, homeowners can make informed decisions about timing, materials, and installation methods to ensure their new doors are installed correctly, regardless of what the weather has in store.